Hi everyone, welcome to Wake&Tech. I'm back with another video on how to change your name in Bigo Live. If you've accidentally typed in a wrong information while creating your name on Bigo Live during sign-up process and later you'd like to change it, then keep watching the video till the end. If you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by tapping open your Bigo Live application from the app drawer. Once you open it up, make sure you're signed into your account. Now, from the home page of Bigo Live, go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile. From this page, tap on the human icon in the top right corner. In this page, all of your profile pictures, your name, your hometown address, the posts and videos that you have created will be displayed. Go to the top right corner again and tap on this little pen and paper kinda icon. Once you do that, right where it says name, give it a tap. In my case, it's showing me my ID. Let me just erase that. You can easily erase the current name and type in the new name that you'd like to change to. Once you do that, in the pop-up, select submit and you can see that your name has been changed. That is how you'll be able to change your name on Bigo Live quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.